Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in this video we are going to learn another classification of amino acids, that is to identify whether an amino acid is acidic, neutral or basic. That is what we are going to see in this video. So before understanding the classification, let us first try to understand the chemical nature of the functional groups. First is the carboxylic acid group. We know what is the role of an acid. How do you define an acid? Acid is any species that donates H plus ions. Okay, that donates H plus ions or protons, right? So this H plus ion can be donated by the carboxylic acid. Why this is acidic? Because the negative charge on the oxygen atom is stabilized by the carbonyl group, okay, by resonance with the carbonyl group. Okay, that is why this carboxylic acids are acidic in nature. We know that. So if carboxylic acid groups are present more, we say that the amino acid is what? Acidic in nature. Okay, we'll understand with the help of some of the cases. Another example, another functional group present in amino acid is what? Amine group. And amines are what? They're basic in nature. They can donate electrons. We know what is a Lewis base. Lewis base is any species that donates electrons. Lewis base donates electrons. Okay, what exactly it will do? It can donate electron, or other way of defining a base is it is a proton acceptor. Okay, it is a proton acceptor. Both the definitions are correct. So if more amine groups are present, we would say that the amino acid is basic in nature. Okay, so let us try to understand this with the help of three cases. First is when the carboxylic acid group COH groups are greater as compared to the amine groups. We know this is what? This is acidic in nature and this is basic in nature. So if the acidic groups are more, what will be the amino acid called as? Amino acid will be called as acidic amino acid. Okay, and there are how many such acidic amino acids? There are only two acidic amino acids. Okay, one is glutamic acid and another is aspartic acid. So in both these structures, you can see the carboxylic acid groups are more. There are two carboxylic acid groups, okay, and only one amine group. Okay, only one amine group is present. Similarly, here also two carboxylic acid groups are present and only one amine group. That is why they are called as acidic amino acids. Okay, now let us see the case 2. Now case 2 will be opposite. The amine groups, that is of the basic nature, will be greater than the carboxylic acid group. Okay, number of amine groups are more. Okay, then we call that amino acid as basic amino acid. Okay, there are how many such basic amino acids? Only 3. Lysine, arginine and histidine. One is lysine, another is arginine and histidine. So in this you can see here in lysine there are two amine groups, only one carboxylic acid group. Here you can see there are multiple amine groups. Okay, all the nitrogens have lone pair. Okay, that has a tendency for donation. Although they are involved in resonance, this can be donated, right? And this amine group also can donate electrons. So amine groups are more. So arginine is also basic. Histidine also, this lone pair can be donated. This lone pair is involved in resonance, but here this amine group can also donate electrons. So that is why here amine groups are more. Only one carboxylic acid group. So there are total of how many basic amino acids? 3. Okay, and so let us write down here which are the acidic amino acids we saw just now. Only 2. Glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Okay, which are the basic amino acids? Lysine, arginine and histidine. Okay, and what about the other amino acid? All other amino acids remaining, how many amino acids? 3 plus 2, 5 are there. So 15. Remaining 15 amino acids, they are what? They are neutral. Okay, that is what? That is the third case. Case 3. What will be the case 3? Number of amine groups is same as that of the carboxylic acid group. So in all the structures, if you see, the number of carboxylic acid groups is same as that of the amine group. Okay, amine group, here there is one amine group, one carboxylic acid group, amine carboxylic acid. So in all the structures, if you see, there is only one amine group and one carboxylic acid group. So all these amino acids total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So remaining total 15 amino acids, they are what? They are neutral. They are neutral. In the last video we had seen all these ones, the amino acids in the pink one, they are what? They are non-polar amino acids. Okay, because they have what? They have no CH bonds, that is what? That is non-polar. Okay, so in this way we can classify acidic, basic and neutral amino acids. So I hope you have understood how to identify whether a particular amino acid is acidic, basic or neutral, because this concept is very important in the further videos. That is, to identify the isoelectric point, it will be helpful. Okay, to calculate the isoelectric point, it will be very, very helpful. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you.